In an earlier lesson, we showed you how to create a search. Let's keep working on that page and allow the user to sort the results. You'll notice that one of the options is to add sorting. Simple enough. Let's click it. We get a new block in the lower half of the screen in our view, and it automatically puts in a drop-down to sort by post date. But this won't actually do anything until we set things up. Let's go over to the right side. Under Sorting Options, we see the post date. Under Display Settings, let's include the sorting direction. A second drop-down appears in our view. Under Sorting Options, added are options for how to label that drop-down. Let's add a new second option. And let's make it sort by price. And instead of calling it ascending and descending, let's change the labels to low to high and high to low in regards to the pricing. And to clean up the look a little, under Label Styles, let's put the label above the controls. Okay, let's update and look at this so far. Okay, this works. Let's just add some styling. This is optional, but let's center the sorting controls. And we'll add some padding before the results come in. We'll go down to Control Styles and add 30 pixels to the bottom of the sorting control and the sorting direction control. Looking at the front, that's better looking, but it also is a bit annoying that every time we sort, the whole screen resets. In the admin, under Display Settings, let's change from reloading the whole page to applying the sorting without reloading the whole page. This will use Ajax. Looking at the front again, we see it's a nicer interface. Lastly, let's say that you'd rather have the price as the first option we see, rather than post date. On the back end, we'll change the default order. We'll switch post date to field price. Notice that the system warns us that only posts that have a price will show in the results. And while we're at it, let's change the price label to just price rather than field price. Looking on the front, we see now it's defaulting to price, high to low. Let's switch that as well. We'll change the default sorting option direction to ascending. And on the front end, we see what anybody looking for a bargain wants to see, sorting with the low-priced options first. And there you go. Now you know how to add sorting to a search.